Jobnimbus Tutorial for Beginners CRM Training. Now, getting started with Jobnimbus, a CRM and project management platform tailored for contractors, involves several key steps. So here's a beginner-friendly guide to help you navigate the setup and utilization of Jobnimbus effectively. So the first one is to, of course, create an account. So of course, the account setup, you can go ahead and go to this website by looking up Jobnimbus in your preferred browser, and you should be able to find that in the first screen. You can go ahead and create an account, customize your profile, upload your company logo, and set your brand colors. You can add team members and assign appropriate tasks. Next is to define the workflows in it, of course. And contact customize contact and job types to fit your business process. Set up statuses that reflect the stages of your projects and import your contacts. And then finally, you can go ahead and import your contacts. Then the next step in doing all this account setup and the beginner's guide is to navigate the dashboard. In the boards, you can visualize your projects and tasks using customizable boards. In the calendar, you can schedule appointments, set reminders, and manage your deadlines. Then, in the contacts and jobs, you can maintain detailed accounts and records of clients and associated jobs. Then finally, your step 3 is to utilize core features like its task management, its document handling, and photo uploads. There's also automation. You can set this up using workflows to streamline repetitive tasks. And for additional resources, you can go ahead to their specific website to go ahead and read more about this website. Anyways, if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.